Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing access and tools. Open the Google Sheet and make sure sharing is set so Power BI can reach it. Use anyone with link can view or grant your Google account. Next, open Power BI Desktop. Make sure it's updated to avoid connector issues. Copy the sheet ID or the shared link because you'll paste it into Power BI. Once done, sign into Google from the connector when prompted. This authorizes Power BI to read your data securely. Next, you connect and shape the data. In Power BI, choose Get Data. Either use Web with the Sheets CSV export link for a quick pull, or select Google Sheets connector and complete Google OAuth sign-in for native access. Make sure to pick the right worksheet or named range. This controls what you import. Then click Transform Data to open Power Query, where you clean columns, set data types, and remove blanks. Make these edits now, because shaping before loading keeps your model efficient and accurate. Finally, load and automate refreshes. After transforming, choose Close and apply to load the dataset into Power BI. Verify tables and relationships in the model view. Publish to Power BI service and configure scheduled refresh. Use a gateway only if your sheet is behind restrictions, otherwise set credentials in the cloud. If refresh fails, check sharing permissions, re-authenticate the Google connector, confirm you use the correct CSV or sheet URL, and inspect query privacy levels. One troubleshooting tip: reauthorize the Google account when tokens expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.